Hey guys. All right, so I call myself a coffee snob, but I'm like your average bitch coffee snob, okay? I know more about coffee than your average Joe, but I am by no means an expert. So this is brought to you. This is like real life hacks for the average bitch. I don't know if it's a hack. This is explaining the best way that I've found so far to brew your coffee. If you're drinking Folgers, then get the fuck out, because I'm really big into the Java Mama Gourmet coffee. I honestly think it is some of the best tasting fresh roasted coffee I've had. And now that I'm used to this, when I go to Starbucks, it's just not the same. Yuck. Anyway, I wanted to go over how to use the Aero press, which is all these fun tools right here, because it is simple, it is portable, so if you I don't know, are military and you're on a ship, their coffee's shit. Unless you're on an aircraft carrier, I think they have a Starbucks inside. Oh, then it's still shit. This is something that can easily travel and does not require electricity. Same with this. This is a handheld burr coffee grinder, which honestly a burr grinder is going to be the absolute best at grinding your coffee because it doesn't heat it up and it makes a really consistent grind on it. So this is like your power outage kit. You do need hot water. So you need access to hot water regardless. All right, so first thing I did, and this is, okay, if you get the Aero, if you get this product, you can follow the exact recipes on there, or the instructions, which are for psychos, because it's talking about weighing your coffee. I'm not gonna fucking weigh my coffee. I have a toddler hanging on my feet, wanting yogurt or whatever, and so I don't have time to measure my damn coffee. So there's this grinder. It makes the best grind. I'm not gonna lie, it's amazing. But it takes like 4 fucking minutes to do this. I don't have time for that. And my kid, I don't have like a 9-year-old where I can be like, here, knock yourself out, kid. I don't have slave labor yet. So, I ain't got time for that shit. I love it and it's worth it. If I have time and no child sitting on me, that's what I'll do. My next purchase is going to be an electric burr grinder, but I don't have one of those yet. So we're just going to do your basic coffee grinder, because you know what? It gets the job done. Putting my whole beans in there. Oh God, it smells like fucking heaven. All right. If you were trying to make your cup of coffee before the child awoke and didn't want to wake them, this is much quieter. My kid usually up before me though. The one thing, have you ever had a French press that's amazing coffee? This is amazing like a French press, but there's something even better with it. It has little paper filters that go inside this little thing at the bottom. So you're not gonna get the gross sediment at the bottom of your cup. Yay! Win! So the AeroPress is so easy. This just screws on right here. And then you find your cup. I wanted a clear cup to show you. I'm lacking in clear cups in my kitchen. So this is my very well loved Starbucks mug. It's gonna go here. All right. Taking my coffee grinds. The AeroPress instructions say 1 scoop and then you fill the water to 2. I'm sorry, maybe if you're a fancy coffee connoisseur and you drink your cups in teacups, that is not enough for me. So what I do, I put about 2.5 because that's all I grinded up. Oh, you know what we can add? Let's add what I ground here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I'm making my life, right? All right. You want to tap it to even it out. So honestly, I fill up my coffee to the 1 line because I like a lot of fucking coffee and I need more than, you know, an espresso shot in the morning. This is gonna provide a really super concentrated coffee. Just remember that. It's like you're making espresso shots half-assed. The next step is to add your hot water. You don't wanna do boiling right away. If you ain't got time, it's not gonna ruin it that bad, but honestly, for the best tasting cup, let it sit there a little bit. I am gonna fill mine up all the way up to the 4. Maybe a little more because I want a lot of coffee. Give it a little stir. Get it mixed in with those grinds. Set this somewhere that's not gonna make a huge mess. That made a huge mess. All right, you're gonna take your plunger. Looks like this, plunger. Stick it in here. Now, this is not a quick thing. It does have some resistance to it. It's not really hard, but it is gonna slow down your plunge. Although I usually have more height on this, I'm not sitting down. So if you see my arms struggling, it's just showing you how bad I need to go to the gym. Because it's really not that hard, at least, let's stand up. So it does take a little time, not quite as long as a French press, because the French press you have it sitting there for like 4 minutes. So remember, this is super concentrated. The last bit. Which I like my coffee pretty damn strong. I'm eating my hair. It's hot, right? Okay. I probably should have provided like a bowl for me to put all this stuff in instead of like a box, because I'm well planned. All right. The cool thing about that is to clean it out, it's all pressed, it's like a little puck. So you just unscrew it and right into the trash can. Seriously, unscrew, right into the trash can, rinse it out, you're done. All right, so this is my super concentrated coffee. For your regular, you can either add steamed espresso milk if you want. We're gonna go for your classic Americano here. So I am just gonna add some more hot water and then my creamer of choice, because I didn't feel like steaming milk this morning. Add my creamer. Hello, it's so beautiful. This makes me so happy. I didn't bring a stir, so we're gonna use the end of this. Yeah, woo! Look at that shit. This makes me happy. So happy. Fucking hot, but oh so good. So that was your basic, I'm gonna do what I want instructions on the AeroPress. If you really wanna be technical, and honestly, the first time I did it, I followed the instructions exactly, and it really does make a damn good cup of coffee, but I don't have time for all that half the time. If I'm home alone and no child, I probably will do it that way because it really does provide a superb cup of coffee. But when I need a tank filled, just do that. It don't matter. Stay caffeinated, guys. Ciao.